In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify black screen issues on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a number of different fixes we can try. So I'm going to start with the most effective fixes first. So fix number one is to restart Spotify, but we need to do this properly. So what we can do is right click our Windows key, click on the task manager. Then from here, we want to go ahead and make sure we're on the task manager tab here and processes. Then basically look for Spotify and then right click it and then click on end task and then restart Spotify. Next fix is to clear the Spotify cache. So to do this, we want to go ahead and click on our Windows key and R. So we've got the run tab opened. Just let me drag this across. Now we want to go ahead and paste this line in. So app data Spotify, so %app data Spotify. Now click on to open, and then once you open it, just delete everything inside of there. Because I've already deleted this, I'm inside of my app data. Just right click on the folder, say if this metal one Spotify, right click it, and then go ahead and click on delete, and then that's going to delete your cache. And then restart Spotify. And another way to do this is to open up Spotify. Now once we're inside Spotify, we want to click onto our user profile, make sure you're signed in, click into settings, and then scroll down again. And then we want to go ahead and under storage, go ahead and clear cache. Now the next fix to do is to update graphics drivers. So outdated GPU drivers can cause display issues. So on your keyboard, click on your Windows key and X, and then click onto device manager, or we can just do a search for device manager like so. Now device manager should open. Then from there, we need to go ahead and expand display adapters, and then right click on your graphics card, and then click on update driver, and then click search automatically for drivers, and then if there are any updates, go ahead and update. Now another fix we can try is to get into settings, and then on the left hand side we've got a bunch of tabs. Click on Windows Update and then do a check for updates and download and install any updates. Now if you're still having issues, I suggest just go ahead to add or remove programs, search for Spotify, and then go ahead and right click it, uninstall it, and then re-download it from the website if you don't have the installation, and reinstall it and log back in.